Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread. This recipe combines canned cinnamon rolls and a sweet pumpkin sauce to make a delicious dessert. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a large plastic bag and add 2/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now shake this together and then set it aside. Next, open 3 12.4-ounce cans of refrigerated store-bought cinnamon rolls. Separate the rolls and then cut each one into 4 pieces. Then spray a bundt pan with non-stick cooking spray. Now place some of these into your plastic bag and shake it to coat them evenly. Then place your coated cinnamon roll pieces into the bottom of your prepared pan. Now repeat until you have used all of your cinnamon roll pieces. Then take a microwave-safe cup or bowl and add 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of butter, and 2/3 cup of canned pure pumpkin. Now melt this in the microwave and then stir it together well. Now evenly pour this over your cinnamon roll pieces in the pan. Now just bake this in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a wire rack to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then place a serving plate over the pan and turn over the pan and the plate. Remove the pan and let the monkey bread cool completely. If your canned cinnamon rolls came with icing, if you like, you can drizzle the icing over your monkey bread. And here it is, pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread. This is a fun dessert to serve at Thanksgiving or any time. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And today I'm making pumpkin cinnamon roll, not pumpkin bread, monkey bread, and 2/3 cup, what is it? And turn over the turn over the plate. This is a fun dessert to serve at not Halloween. I guess you could serve at Halloween. Pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread. And here it is. And here it is. Wait a minute. Wait. Pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread. Pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread.